Welcome. In this video, we will learn the procedure for terminating a beta cable. Measure and strip 90 mm the outer insulation. Neatly cut all braiding from the cable. Now 3 pairs of cable will be visible. Pair 1, Pair 2, Pair 3. The outer mylar insulation must be completely removed from Pair 3 and the screen needs to be cut off. Measure 35 mm from the bottom outer mylar insulation and strip the outer mylar insulation from the cables marked Pair 1 and Pair 2. Separate the wires from each pair. There are 2 wires and a screen in each pair. The colors are orange, white, and screen in one pair. The other pair has blue, yellow, and screen. The blue wire must be cut off completely from Pair 2. For this step you are going to need 2 4.8 mm heat shrink sleeves cut to 40 mm long pieces and fit them over Pair 1 and 2. Push and heat shrink over all the insulation that is 20 mm in length and 10 mm in diameter. Use your heat gun to shrink. Measure 68 mm from the bottom of the outer insulation and strip all wires. Fit 0.5 mm square by 8 mm bootlace sleeves on the coil, earth, electrode and screen wires. Trim all excess wires, inspect your work and make sure there are no loose terminals. Thank you for watching. Please watch the next video for the wiring termination on the electronics side.